Beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. Today I am just wondering what's going on. We've just been hearing some kind of thing happening, and at first I heard of the one that happened in Lagos, which is this South African shop right in Lekki, which was destroyed by some Nigerians, and they started removing things, picking people's things. Those that will be carrying whatever they could carry were just picking it. And when I saw the clip, I was like, what's happening? And when they bashed into the South African shop, the shop right there, the workers there had to run away. I don't really know what's happening. And we know few months back there was a time like that where we heard that there was trouble in South Africa, when South Africa were, I think, descending on Nigerians. And now we don't know what happened. Now that Nigerians now are now retaliating by behaving in this kind of manner whereby they entered the shop. I don't even really know how the thing happened, but this is just what I saw, and I was like, this is a big loss for the South African shop owners. And the shop right located at Lekki. And presently now we also now heard that even the MTN in Lagos was also affected. You're going to be seeing this. Watch what people are doing. Those that can pick whatever they pick are picking it, and they are just carrying the things and moving away like that, just like that. So I don't really know what's happening. I think Nigerian government are also supposed to look into how to come in contact with the South African government and see how they can make amendments of these things or settlement of these things, because this trouble that has been going on, if care is not taken, this thing involves human lives, and it involves people. Nigerians are all over there in South Africa, and we have South Africans also in Nigerians here living. So with this kind of thing going on, it's not safe and it's not really good. So I think our Nigerian government should really look on how to come in settlement with the South African government and see how they can put a stop to this kind of thing. And now, my people, whenever things like this happen, Nigerians are always on one kind of side. You can see how people are just moving goods, moving electronics, moving anyone the person can carry. They're just carrying it, and just like that, just vanishing like that. And this kind of thing, you will not know who to hold. You will not know who to call to order. That's kind of thing when it happens like this. And you can also see whereby some are even carrying it in a wheelbarrow, pushing whatever goods like. This is not really nice. This is a very big loss for the South African company. So I think our Nigerian government should really see how to sit down. This will not help the country, and this will not help even our Nigerians over there in South Africa. So I think the South African government and Nigerian government, the president is supposed to sit down, hold a meeting, and see how to put peace on this kind of thing, because on these things that is going on is not really good. For how long will this kind of thing continue? For how long will I call it, the lives of people be at stake? For how long will people keep running up and down like this, running for your life, running? So I think they just have to see how to come in good terms and put peace and put an end to all this kind of issues, so that wherever you are, you can stay there in peace. Where even if you're in Nigeria, you can also stay in peace. If you're over there in South Africa, or wherever you are as a citizen, or even if you are an invitee, or even if you are somebody that a visitor, you can be welcomed, and there will be no issue whereby you just stay, and before you close your eyes and open, you see that people are running and up and down. So this is what is happening in Lagos, Lekki area, and the residents there in Lekki. Because of this kind of thing, now people are not really closing their eyes to sleep. They are sleeping with one eye open and one eye closed. And with this kind of incident also, this kind of thing will also cause whereby even those going to work, going back home, they'll be also wondering if they'll also be thinking what will happen on their way going back. So with this kind of thing, it doesn't really call for peace, it doesn't really call for a good homage. So I think I would also suggest that the Nigerian government and the South African government should sit down and see how they can put a stop to this. Because even if you can see, even the police people that came around in that shop, right, who were they going to catch? Everybody are just running in, picking what they want, and also running away. And the police, their own, who will you catch? Even the person you want to catch, safe, you want to catch the person on what basis? So this kind of thing, you cannot just say you want to shoot, you cannot just say you want to, or you just try to do what the police are going to do is just to see how they can stop people from looting items, looting properties from the office there. So that's just what happened. So guys, I just came across this clip and I was like, let me also share this thing, because with this kind of thing, even you don't really know what's gonna happen next. So we just have to keep our ears on the ground and be listening to what's happening. So if you're a Nigerian in South Africa, you have to keep your ears across also, because except the Nigerian government and the South Africa government come to sit together and come to an agreement of how to put a stop to all this thing, everybody's feet will just be one leg in and one leg out. So guys, it's all about Keme TV. As I came across this clip, I said I decided to share it with you guys. If this is your first time in my channel, please don't fail to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, tap that bell for notification of new videos. I'll keep giving you updates of what's happening around and across Nigeria. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.